Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here. Basically, you just need to access your Windows security. You can go to Settings or directly just look for Windows Security, right? Windows Security, click on it. From here, go to Application and Browser Control. Then you should have the option to select Smart Application Control Settings. Click on it. From here, just go ahead, select off. You might get a prompt saying, "Are you sure to confirm these changes?" Just proceed, click yes, and then your system will automatically restart, or Windows will ask you to restart to make these changes. So go ahead, click on restart, and once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.